Economics A-level is well respected by both universities and employers. Gaining an A-level in economics shows that you've developed critical thinking skills and can evaluate the actions taken by individuals, firms, and governments. At the heart of economics is the ability to understand decision making. Studying this course will allow you to understand the rationale behind a wide range of scenarios and how this links in with the real world. The course is divided into two sections. Microeconomics is the study of individuals, firms and markets, whereas macroeconomics is about the whole economies and studies topics such as inflation, unemployment, trade and government policies. Some of the topics and questions we investigate are: what explains the stark and persistent divide between the rich and the poor? Why do we have this gap? What can governments do, or indeed should they seek to reduce the gap between rich and poor? We also look at how we can nudge social behaviours to tackle climate change. On the incentives we can use. How do individuals and firms react to incentives, such as carbon taxes? And is there any point in one country taking action if others don't? The number of people migrating into the UK has been greater than the number of people emigrating since 1994. There has been a lot of negative publicity about the growing number of migrants into the country. However, economic data shows that these migrants benefit the economy and help fill the jobs that UK-born workers won't do. We will also look at whether the government should introduce a basic income. Whether there is a need for such income or whether it could actually harm the economy more than it benefits it. The gender pay gap measures the difference between the average hourly earnings of men compared to women. There is actually an economic argument about why men deserve to be paid more than women. Higher education fees of £1,000 per year were first introduced by the Labour government in 1998. This course will look at the student finance reforms and see whether it is worth you paying these fees or not. Finally, the gig economy is a labour market that covers short-term contracts or freelance work such as Uber drivers and delivery workers. There has been criticisms of unfair pay and working conditions in these markets, and in economics we will investigate this further and discuss who is really benefiting from these working practices. The course is assessed through three 2-hour papers. The papers consist of short answer data response questions and essay questions. Paper 3, which is a synoptic paper, also contains some multiple choice questions. As the economist Tyler Cohen said, economics is everywhere, and understanding economics can help you make better decisions and lead a happier life. It is a diverse subject where there is plenty of opportunity for debate, and it has lots of relevance to what is going on in the real world today.